Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So as we know that the price of gold is moving in around 1730, 433 this point around. See, and this way what it does, it is a 1 month chart I am showing you. See, it was continuously in downtrend, and after breaking this level, you can see this point. I'll show you again. See, after breaking this level, it moved up and made a new good high of around 1740. Okay, if it have been bounced back from here and crossed this lane, this parallel line downside, then we could have seen a new downtrend. Okay, so now what we can see, after making a new at this high after a long time for a period of from, see, this is the support, this is the resistance 1, this is resistance 2. Okay, once this level is break, then we can see it can touch a level of 1760 very soon. Okay, so what we can see here is that, see, the price of gold is moving in this particular range. Okay, once this range is break, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1740. Okay, 1740, and once 1740 is touched, the next support we can see is at around 1761. So what you have to do is, see, I'll show you at this range. Okay, so what we have to understand that, let this range breaks. Okay, then if it break a range of 1736, then what you have to do is you have to make a target of 1739. Once 1739 is break, then with a stop loss of 1737, you can keep at a target of 1748. Once 1748 is achieved, and if the price stays above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1759. Okay, once 1759 is achieved, then you can wait for the next target of 1767 to a level of 1771, and then 1776. See, these targets I'm telling you, suppose you have bought at around 1740 and now the target you have reached at around 1777. So we are in profit of $37. Once this 37 comes down to 33, then you should exit the trade for a particular day. You getting me? This is how what you have to do. So now look at this. I'll show you 1-day chart. This is the 1-day chart. We can see that the price is moving particularly high. Okay, from 9 o'clock, this you can see this. Okay, and after breaking this, because first support, second support, and third support, once this level is break, it made a new low. Okay, for the day, this is the low because it tested once, twice, and thrice. If it is break in the downside, then we could have seen a new down level, more downside. But what happened at this point, that it bounced back from there and made a new high. Okay, for the day made a new high, and from there it was continuously going down and made around 1726. See, this is support, this is another support 1, and this is support 2. If it breaks downside this again, then we can expect it can touch a level of new 721, and once 1721 is moved, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1718 to 17, not 1710. Okay, this is, and the next level I have already told in my previous video. If you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, where we can discuss. Okay, but that will be my personal view. You can join my Telegram channel also. Please watch the full video, then only you will understand what I'm meant to say. Okay, see, this is a 1-day chart I told you. So now if it cross 1734, okay, then you can make a call of buying, but with a stop loss of 1732. Okay, 1732 with a target of around 1735 to 1737. Once 1737 is crossed, then you can wait for the next target I've already mentioned just now. Okay, 1737, you can wait for the target of 1739. Okay, once 1739 is achieved, and then the next target, because this is resistance 1 and 2, so there is high probability it can move upward and can achieve a target of 1759. Okay, once this is achieved, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1767 also, and from there it can achieve a level 770 also, and then 1776. These I'm telling you just what you have to do. It can go up to 1800 also, but all the upside resistance point I have discussed in my previous video. Please watch that video, and then you should decide where to exit. What I have suggested you, that suppose you bought it at 1700 and now you are in it is at around 1737, suppose. Okay, you are in a profit of $37. Once these 37 comes down to 33, then you should exit the trade for the day. You getting me? Okay, because you have to take a profit home. This is what a part of risk management. Okay, and if it goes below, okay, the price goes below 1727, then the next target we can see is around 1720, and if it breaks 1720, then the next target we can see is at around 17 naught. Okay, 1718. Okay, once this is break, then we can see 1710, and from there we can see 174 to 1700. Okay, once 1700 is break to 1700 to 1698. Once this is break, okay, we can see a next level is at around 1690, and from there 1690 or 1685 till 85, and from there if it breaks the level, it can come down to 1680 also, and then 1675. Once this 1675 is break, then we can expect it can go much lower to around 1650. And I have told you the downside movement in my previous video also. You can watch that level. Okay, if I tell you the downtrend has this way, okay, moved upside and this way halted for some time, there is a probability if it cross 1737, we can see it can go a little upside. Okay, hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.